Hey everybody, this is Josh Cropsey, and I am here to introduce you to a course that I'm really excited about. Um, I am actually, I have been working for weeks now, for hours on end, on this particular course. This is Yalla Nadros Arabi, and it was created by the Al Baher Arabic Language Training Center that is located in the beautiful city of Amman, Jordan. It is about a stone's throw away from the U.S. Embassy. And interestingly enough, this course was first created um, as a way to help officers at the embassy and their wives to learn Arabic, in particular colloquial Jordanian Arabic. Of course, you'll also be learning how to read and write along the way. But this is a beginner Arabic course, and I'm super excited about it. The course is looking fabulous on Teachable. And the thing that makes me most excited is this is a way for anyone out there who has a desire to learn Arabic, to learn the Jordanian culture, the Arabic culture, to access this information. This is a beautiful textbook. Um, and if if you sign up and enroll today, you're going to have the privilege of going through a course that I wish I could have gone through when I learned Arabic. Um, Qadir, the author of the textbook, it is going to be leading you by the hand through these short lessons. Each lesson will have a short lecture by Qadir, and then they have some practice activities, a short quiz, and then a short video congratulating you where you may see this ugly mug show up again. All right, so let's get going. And please, I hope you'll give us feedback on your experience so that we can continue to make these lessons even more dynamic. Thank you so much.